defense during activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I am talking about AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor. This is the processor AMD Ryzen 5 3600. Nowadays it is the best processor for budget PC build. Third generation processor. It has 6 core and 12 thread. That means 6 individual workers and 12 individual helpers. I think every core can work with 2 helper or 2 thread. That is really amazing. Base clock speed is 3.6 GHz and max boost clock speed is 4.2 GHz. Discrete graphics card required. So if you use this processor, you need a graphics card must. Socket type is M4. Heatsink fan included. It has 35 MB case. This is really great. 35 MB case is so higher. Gen 2 architecture. Okay. Now I am unboxing this product. Let's see. This is CPU cooler. Oh, this is the processor. Really nice. AMD installation instruction. It is quick installation guide. Certificate of authenticity. AMD Ryzen 3000 desktop ready. That's all. There are nothing on here. This is the CPU cooler. It's looking nice. Wow. Nice. There are built-in thermal paste. No need to add any thermal paste. One, two, three, four, 5. It has 5 blades which provide high airflow. The stock cooler is really nice. This is the processor AMD Ryzen 5 3600. Actually, this is very powerful processor nowadays. It consume up to 65 watt, and it absorb up to 95 degree centigrade. Okay, that's all. I like this processor, and it is the best processor in nowadays for best value. Okay.
Automated defense grid activated.